Welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. Gonna unbox this 30 Packard Roadster, and this will be kit number 2 for a small scale group build. And let me show you what's in the kit. Alright guys, so in this kit, do a little quick unboxing. We got the body panels, interior right here, and rear suspension there with the drive shaft hooked to it, part of it. Got the engine right here, big inline 8 looks like. We have the rims right here. Here's the chassis and rear fenders, and this unusual tan color. And we got rims right here. Got the hood sides, pretty cool looking. Got left and the right fender separate for the front. Let's see. And we got the radiator, front suspension, some axles for the wheels to go on, gas tank, and a boot for the top there, and the shifter, and it looks like radiator hose and some other parts there. This also has a chrome tree right here, the nice chrome bumpers, nice chrome dash, big headlights, nice big headlights there. And it has a clear piece. This is the windshield and the headlights. Then this one comes with 6 tires, so those look pretty cool. And we'll take a look at what it all entails to build. This is another Lindbergh kit, like the 34 Plymouth I did. So let's take a look here. So it starts with the engine and steering shaft with the interior with the shifter and handbrake. Then it goes to the putting the body onto it and the front fenders with the grill / radiator and radiator hose. Then we have the top of the body with the windshield frame and the boot or the convertible top. Then putting the hood on it along with the front and rear bumpers and the headlights. Then we have the tail lights, then doing 6 of these, and then putting front and rear suspension on lastly, and putting wheels and suspension and gas tank on there. So that will be my next build right there for the small scale group build for 26. And thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day. All right, bye.